I didn't check my fans. Oh, they're good. They cleared that stuff off the runway.
China cleared.
Ready?
Gear up.
Look at that. All right, ready? I'm closest to us. Okay, I'm closest to us.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
That's cool.
It looks so cool.
Well, I think we should do some follow the leader stuff.
Go, yeah, you're a better leader.
All right, I'm blasting down low. We're doing some gun runs.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I'm climbing.
Light pack 21.4 volts. Temperature 79 degrees.
Come back around. Yeah, see, you got to get used to whipping this thing, because it whips. Whip, whap, whip, whap, whap. Come on, young blood, keep up. Come on now. Oh, you cut in front of me now. I get it. You can't keep up, so you cut.
See, we just now need someone with a little RC tank out there. You guys can run closer to that.
Yeah. Cutting in front of me, Frank. Sheesh.
Are these exactly the same size?
Yep, same plane. I think we even have the same battery in there. Is that a heavy duty, Frank?
This is a heavy D.
Yep. All right, let's join up for this next pass.
All right.
Or come
30
slow and low, or slow-ish.
Time remaining 20 seconds.
It sounds the same.
It's exactly the same. You get that weird harmony.
Yeah.
10, 9, 8,
Go. I'm good.
7, 6,
No plan.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Look
Time
at that.
expired.
Oh, man.
Save the best for last.
Take off.
gonna go behind you and then we'll break off and land.
Gear down.
Okay, I'm coming to land.
Alright.
Landing from the right.
Landing right. Roger.
Landing flaps.
Fun flight, Frankie. So glad you got one. Got an escort too.
Flaps up.
Oh, you're still going?
Yeah, 22.3.
So I probably came in early.
I'm gonna come in soon.
It's a cool flight.
That was fun. Low power.
Come in, Frank. You don't want those ESCs to cut off on you like they did me.
Landing.
Nice, Frank.
Thank you.
All right.